combination. 1 TSP salt. 1 TSP food color. 1 TSP tikka masala. 1 TSP red chili sauce. 1 TSP soy sauce. 1 TSP black pepper. Mix. Add spaghetti. Boil for 15 minutes. Add to TBSP all. Add marinated chicken. One TSP ginger garlic paste. Add vegetable. 2 TBSP soy sauce. 1 TBSP chili sauce. 1 TBSP black pepper. 1 TBSP tikka masala. Add ketchup. Add vinegar. Add spaghetti. 1 TBSP black pepper. Ketchup. AGT 1 TBSP salt. Well, yummy.